Hi, we're Conan and Catherine, and we own and operate a vintage camper photo booth out of a 1961 Aljo with our business, Lamp House Photo Company. When our busy season of events got put on hold, we decided to make the most out of our time at home and get to work on our next project, a 1968 Play-Mor 140, taking it all the way down to the frame and rebuilding it.
And now it's a camper again? You gotta be kidding me.
With the help of Catherine's parents, Connie and Dave, and our project manager, Simon, we're taking vintage trailer trash and turning it into treasure one project at a time. Thanks for following along, and if you haven't yet, be sure to like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we didn't get a ton of work done this week because more and more we're going back to our actual jobs and there's just not a lot of time left to work on the camper. But we did get one thing done. We managed to get new tires. As you might remember, a few weeks ago when I painted this white stripe on the cream-colored stripe on the camper, I went ahead and painted the old wheels at the same time, and so I had them sitting around here. I just had to take them and get tires on. So I ran over to Brown's Tire and got a couple of new tires mounted up, and I stopped by Redneck Trailer Supply, and they had gotten our Baby Moon hubcaps back in stock, so I grabbed a set of those as well. Anyway, here's a look at all that. Okay, well, tomorrow I'm going to go and try to get some new trailer tires for these, and then that step will be done. Okay, so I'm going to do a little project and get some new Baby Moons for our new camper. And I just called the trailer supply place, and they happen to have gotten some in, so I'm gonna go pick them up. So let's see how that works. Okay, check this out. Ooh, maybe if I can get it out of the thing. There we go. Whoa, so cool. All right, well, take those home, get those popped on. I guess we gotta get some new tires for that nice camper. But yeah, moving right along. Okay, now here at Brown's Tire, I've got my two little trailer rims, and I'm gonna see about getting some new tires put on there. Alright, got them mounted up, take them home, put them on camper, fingers crossed they fit. Okay, so I got the new tires all mounted up, fingers crossed that it slides right in there and no problems. Okay, final element. Doesn't that look sharp? So yeah, they look and fit great. Really happy with how they turned out. I think they really help tie the whole camper together. And the best thing is I don't have to feel anxious about driving on an old set of tires. So money well spent, if you ask me. I still don't have a spare for it, but I do have some extra rims kind of sitting around that I might be able to clean one up and go get a tire on it. But we need to get a spare tire mount also, and I don't currently have that. But you know, future projects. But yeah, really happy with it. One of the things that did have me concerned getting the new tires, we ran into this on the last camper we rebuilt. We got a new set and they wouldn't fit within the wheel opening. It wasn't that they were any taller, it was that the width didn't leave enough room for you to turn the tire and fit it back in there. So I was a little concerned that I might get these new tires, get home, and realize they don't actually fit on the camper. But no problem here. They went in real easily. Didn't have to force them or anything. So super happy. So this week we did hit 100 subscribers. So thank you for our first YouTube milestone. And if you haven't yet, make sure that you do like this video and subscribe to our channel. Anyways, we did get out this week to do a couple of family things, so we're going to leave you with some footage of that, and we'll see you next Sunday. Missing someone. From the start, and you did it right from the start. Missing someone.